Kung kinsa man tong nasod, thank you in advance for accepting my father. If ever that will happen. But still, kung wala man, since kung nisugot na ka, I will not forget this. Honestly, akong tanaw manggod, ang ICC dili kayo confident akong tanaw sa iya. Because ang katong extraordinary rendition nga nahitabo manggod kang PRRD, kadto pala manggudaan kuan na they should have sent him back here just to allow the process to take its course. And yet, gidawat nila dito sa ilang detention center. So, I have this suspicion nga ang ICC is a political tool. Kay, it was in a kanang layman's term, technically it was kidnapping that transpired dito sa Villamor Air Base.